Hey beauty, so today I'm going to be doing a review for Pizazz. You've probably heard me mention Pizazz before in a previous video, and that is because I ordered from Pizazz probably about 2 weeks ago, maybe going on 3 weeks ago. I ordered from Pizazz. They are an Amazon store and they sell hair. And I had originally ordered some Brazilian straight hair. I did a review for that, and they contacted me and asked me if I wanted to do a review on their Brazilian curly hair. So I was like, of course. So let's go ahead and just kind of jump right in because I don't want this video to be too long. So the hair that I am going to be reviewing is their Brazilian curly bundles, and I got 18, 20, and 22 inches, and then a 16-inch free part closure. So it comes in a bag like this. They also sent a free pair of lashes, and I really like the lashes because they're very like natural looking. They're not like over the top, so those are really cute. And then inside also comes with this little brochure, and it just tells you the different hair types. It tells you how to open the hair wefts, and then it also tells you how to wash and care for the hair. Okay, so let's get into these bundles. So let's see here. That's 20 inch, 60. So these are how the bags come. They all come in these like little plastic or poly bags, whatever you call them. And it's got the inches here at the top. So this is the 22 inch. And they have the little tags that come on them as well. And this is what the hair looks like. Really, really nice. This is again Brazilian curly. It kind of reminds me of like a kinky curly texture. I've never had a hair texture like this before, so it's definitely going to be interesting to see what I come up with when I do make a wig. The wefts look really, really good. So that's how the wefts look. And again, this is the 22 inches. That's what the ends of the hair looks like. And again, they look really nice. They don't look like really crunchy or dry looking. Okay, so that's the 22 inch bundle. Okay. This is the 20 inch bundle. I wonder how this hair is going to look wet. Like once I wet it, I wonder how it's going to look. It's pretty. It's really pretty. But I just, like I said, I'm scared because you know how when you have like really curly hair like this, how it like swells sometimes. So it's like, it's going to be some big hair. But again, these wefts look really nice as well. Okay. And then the ends of the hair look really nice. So that is the 20 inch. We have one more bundle, and then we have the closure. So this is the 18 inch bundle. And again, the hair looks really good. And I'm not getting any tangling or any snags and stuff like that. The hair seems to be really good. It does have a smell to it, but I know this is going to sound weird, but I kind of like the chemically processed hair. I kind of like the smell of it. I don't know. It's weird. But there's some hair that smells like funky. But this hair, I like it. Like I said, it has like the chemically processed smell to it, which that doesn't bother me. So this is the 18 inch. Again, looks really nice. It's got body to it. The wefts look really good. That's the 18 inch. And then last but not least is the closure. Now, if I'm not mistaken, this is 16 inch closure. And the closure, when I first seen it, looked a little small. I'm used to seeing like the 4x6 closures. This is a little bit smaller, so I believe this is a 4x4 closure. I'm almost positive it is. But this is what the closure looks like. And again, this is a free part closure, so you can pretty much just kind of, you know, part it anywhere. I'm probably not going to dye the lace or anything like that because, quite frankly, I'm a little too lazy to. So I'll probably just put some foundation or concealer or something, powder on this side, so it can, you know, give that realistic scalp look. But yeah, this is what the back looks like. And it's got the PU strip around it, so you can sew on that. I haven't decided whether or not I'm going to sew this wig by hand or if I'm just going to do the glue gun method. I'm not sure yet. Like, I really want to make this wig like tonight or tomorrow, but the glue gun method would be so much quicker, but at the same time, you know, I want this wig to last as well, so I might go ahead and sew it. But anyway, this is what the closure looks like. Looks really nice. It's the same texture as the hair, which is good. Okay, so that's what it looks like. And again, this is the 16-inch free part closure. Okay, so that is it. I told you guys it was going to be quick. So again, this is the Brazilian curly hair from Pizazz. I got 18, 20, and 22-inch bundles and a 16-inch closure. I will have all the information down below in the description box. I will have the direct link to the store, as well as I will have the direct link to this particular bundle set that I have. Okay, if you guys have any questions at all, feel free to comment down below in the comment section. Plus, like I said, if you have Amazon Prime, you get shipping within like 2 to 3 business days, so that's awesome. So yeah, so check out Pizazz on Amazon. Again, I'll have all the links down below in the description box. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notifications bell that's somewhere over here. That way you'll get notified whenever I make a video. Okay, so I'll see you guys in the next video. Ciao for now.